Hey guys, welcome back to Manda's kitchen. So today we'll make this cheesy bread ball recipe. This recipe is very easy to make and tastes so delicious. So let's start the recipe. Into a mixing bowl I am adding 2 roughly chopped boiled potatoes and 2 cups of breadcrumbs. Mix them. Now goes in a handful of chopped coriander, 2 sliced green chilies, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt as per taste, and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add in a teaspoon of carom seeds. Now finally mix all the ingredients and form a dough. Our dough is now ready. Let's make the cheese balls. Here I am taking a small portion out of the dough. Roll it in between your hands and then flatten it. Place a cheese cube in the center. Now gather all the edges of this flattened disc towards the center and roll it in between your hands to form a ball. Our cheese ball is now ready. Similarly, get ready the other balls. To make the outer covering of the cheese balls more crispy and crunchy, here I am making a gram flour paste. Just add in 4 tablespoons of gram flour in a bowl. Add in salt as per taste, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, pinch of baking soda. Now add in water as required and make a flowy consistency batter. Now our batter is ready, so let's make the cheese balls. Dip one ball inside the batter. Nicely coat it with the batter. Now it is ready. Remove it and place it over the breadcrumbs. Now thoroughly coat the cheese ball with the breadcrumbs. Our cheese ball is now ready to fry. Here I have heated some oil in a kadai. Now let's fry the cheese balls. Fry the cheese balls on medium flame until they turn golden and crispy. Give them a flip and fry from all sides. Our crunchy and cheesy balls are ready to serve. So let's do the plating. So friends, if you like this recipe, give it a try. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.